Yan po ang soup natin ngayon. Soup ay chicken mulligataw ni soup.
YouTube.
Ito ata. Ay na spinach soup yan. Saka spinach soup. Spinach soup. Soup. Chicken mulligataw ni soup. Spinach soup. And vegetable broth. Tama ko may broccoli yan. Vegetable broth. Ay, kung lang tayo. Soup na lang. Yon ang ating soup station. Hot cereal and soup.